Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 13th of October, 2022. It's time for this Ethereum price prediction. Trying to figure out where in the world is Ethereum going to go next. Are we going to see a price surge? I mean, looking at the chart right now, it doesn't look like that. I mean, I did a video in Ethereum right here on September the 29th, 2022, looking for the price to do just that. And so far, the action hasn't been panning out. It hasn't been going up. And when we see that, that tells us that we need to come in and reevaluate the situation. I'm going to show you all that real quick. Hopefully you all were able to grab some profit into the market in Ethereum on October the 6th, because that was the highest day that the market came into our price target area. You guys can see it's on the 3.82%. If not, if we were to get out the market now in Ethereum, you guys can see it's around 6.71%. I wanted to show you all the 3-day chart into the market in Ethereum. You guys can tell that there's simply no life coming into the market in Ethereum right now. No one is actually amped. No one is actually bullish into the market in Ethereum. And I was really looking at the market in Ethereum when I did my last video to see price surge go in because of this day right here, September the 26th, 2022, where all this volume came through in the market. I was expecting it to break out of this consolidational range to the upside, but instead it's been coming down. So I definitely need to come in and talk about that, because that signifies that instead of the market buying in Ethereum on that particular day right here on September 26th, that was mostly selling, because we're not seeing the follow through. The market is not following through with the bullishness that I was anticipating. All right, so let me show you all the weekly chart here in the market in Ethereum. Now, I will be the first one to tell you this. We need to see at the conclusion of this week, okay, the market in Ethereum break this $1,400 level. It has to do it in order. Well, what is that, around 1420, 1410? It has to break upside of that in order for us to at least bring bullishness or a buying opportunity back into the market in Ethereum. This is the 4th consecutive week of the market in Ethereum trying to do just that. And so far, it hasn't been successful. So until the market gives us that confirmation, we need to place some downward pressure in this currency. Now, with that being said, I'm not saying that the price is going to collapse or that's going to crash, but we need to see it dip somewhat to where buyers are going to come back into the market in Ethereum. And the closest area is going to be right here on this trend line. Okay, so I am going to put a price target looking for Ethereum to go lower towards the trend line, this ascending line that I got drawn on the chart. And we may actually still see the price in Ethereum hold $1,200. That would even be better, rather than us seeing price hit that ascending line. We want to see the market grab support as soon as possible. $1,200 would be better, rather than us seeing the market run down to like 11.15, 11.25. Okay, now this is Ethereum on a 3 weeks chart, and this is the time frame that we are really seeing the weakness. Okay, right there, look at that 3 weekly price bar in the market in Ethereum. That is emphatic weakness right there, and you should be able to even see it here on the 5 weekly chart. So this market is not vigorously strong. It is still showing us a lot of weakness in Ethereum. So let me go ahead and put this on the chart, and I'll let you all get your time back, because I know that time is one of the most valuable assets that we have in our lives. So like I said, that $1,400 area, I'm going to bring it up here towards like 1460, 1470, and we're going to play a little bit of weakness into the market in Ethereum. Okay, now I said that $1,200 had to be first. You guys can see that's on 3.25%, right? It is what it is. I can see the market trying to hold price around $1,200. And if that's going to be the case, we want to make sure that we grab the profit off the table before it moves higher. And that's only 3.25. My second price target is going to be down here towards this trend line, which is around 11.20, and it's only 9.63%. Now, don't forget, on the 3 weekly chart, I wouldn't even be surprised if the market in Ethereum was to come back down to around $1,000, right? I'm not going to put that on the chart yet though, but from that time frame, I wouldn't even be surprised to see the market was to go down to $1,000. Okay, so this is it. Give me your thoughts, give me your price target, your prediction as to where you think Ethereum is going to go as we approach the month of November. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different. I'm going to bring this down just a little bit.